Hello everyone and welcome back to APWC. With a great year for cinema, it's time to give out the worst films of 2024. Now we all know how humanly impossible it is to watch all the films that were released this year, as some of them had a delayed digital or OTT release, some of them clashed with the biggies, some of them didn't have enough buzz around them, and some were just not worth my time. Still, I guarantee you that most of these films will either be a part of the top 10 or the honorable mentions. Just like last year's worst movies list, I have curated this list on the basis of the following points: unbearable to watch in theaters or on OTT, remakes, sequels, or overused storyline, bad handling of project in terms of screenplay, VFX, CGI, and casting, popular public opinions on YouTube, Google reviews, and IMDb. अब श्री रामाधीर सिंह जी के सुंदर बोल सुनकर इस वीडियो को शुरू किया जाए।
हमें जब तक सनीमा है लोग चूतिया बनते रहेंगे। रेडी।
On number 10, we have Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3. This film falls under the horror comedy genre. Surprisingly, ना इस फिल्म की कॉमेडी लैंड करती है ना हॉरर। भूल भुलैया 2 was still a decent film. It had a few laughs and scary moments were interesting, but Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3 has nothing. The ending suspense is a massive attempt at being woke, and you know exactly what I mean.
भोला भाला था सीधा सादा था मैं तो नादान था।
I cannot deny that this film had potential, but somewhere, even with a great star cast, Bhool Bhulaiyaa 3 falters badly with its screenplay and execution. They even try to replicate sequences from the original, but still, it leaves no impact. I had to rewatch the OG Bhool Bhulaiyaa to sanitize myself. On number 9, we have Mr. Bachchan. I never thought a serious film like Raid, which is based on true events, could be parodied with such finesse. You can think of 100 ways to ruin a great film like Raid, and Mr. Bachchan will still end up surprising you with its crazy dialogues, mass action, and nonsensical screenplay. I don't want to talk about how Ravi Teja, who's 56, romancing Bhagyashree, who's 25, but I have to talk about that. Dance steps के नाम पे जो fondling हुई है, वो देख के I was cringing hard. I almost felt bad for the actress who possibly had no option. Obviously, this is not new and has been happening since ages, पर देखने को अच्छा नहीं लगता है।
जली ना, तेरी भी जली ना।
Moving to number 8, we have Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, a film which had so much potential to break each and every record, but ended up becoming a parody of what it set out to be. With a great star cast and a capable director, BMCM proves that sometimes the good intentions of making a film gets corrupted by the pressure of making a 1,000 crore box office film.
छोटे मियाँ चिंता मत कर, 1100 करोड़ कंफर्म है वर्ल्ड वाइड 100%।
It is one of those films जहाँ पे अंधा पैसा फूका गया है, but that is nowhere visible in the film. And then you slowly realize that the money was spent on miscellaneous things which could have been nevertheless used to make the film better, bigger and grander than it ended up being. इस पे एक detailed video बना चुका हूँ मैं, and you can check that out by clicking on the iCard above. On number 7, we have Madam Web. I genuinely wanted to like this film and I even tried. But once the movie was over, I had a massive headache because of the excessive scene glitching, the morose color grading, the acting and the screenplay as well. The movie was sold on Sydney Sweeney and Dakota Johnson's simp following, thinking at least they will flock to the theatres. But clearly it worked against the film. The basic difference between SSU and MCU should be known, but the actors in this film were not aware of that difference. गलत हुआ बेचारों के साथ।
साला छोटी गंगा बोल के नाले में कुदा दे।
On number 6, we have Siddharth Roy. In simple words, this film is Arjun Reddy meets world famous lover, but takes the impactful parts of both the films and throws it into the trash can. Scenes marayu dialogue asalu ardham kaadu. Sandesham kuda chala cheddadi. Even if we keep the messaging parts aside, the movie offers nothing extraordinary, and that's a big problem. It looks like after Vanga's success with Arjun Reddy, Kabir Singh, and Animal, everyone wants to emulate his style, but often forget that it's the emotions in his film that speak louder than the debauchery. On number 5, we have Joker, Folie Due. There is one common comment everywhere with regards to a sequel like Joker Folie Due, and that is some movies should never have a sequel. I have high admiration for a director like Todd Phillips, especially for the first 2 parts of Hangover, War Dogs, and The Joker. But with this abomination, I am disappointed. I have a genuine problem with musicals, especially musicals that are made with no proper explanation as to why this is a musical.
भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? भाई ये कहाँ फंस गया भाई मैं? भाई ये क्या हो रहा है भाई?
Moving to number 4, we have Double Smart. भाई साहब, ये मूवी देखने के बाद मेरा बस एक ही सवाल था, ये स्क्रिप्ट अप्रूव कैसे हुई? Making a sequel of a film which was okayish in the first place by adding something even more nonsensical and sprinkling it with misogyny is a skill, and ऐसी स्किल की इंडियन सिनेमा को जरूरत नहीं है. The over-sexualization, which is an ongoing problem in every industry, gets a 10x boost in this film. And I can understand why it exists. But just imagine the kind of audience flocking in the theaters to watch something so sleazy.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
Let's jump to one of the subplots of this film, the character of Boka, which was so bad that Bengali नहीं आते हुए भी मेरे मुंह से बोका चौदा ही निकला, ऐसी वाहियात कैरेक्टर राइटिंग के लिए. The word misogyny is perfect to describe this film. In fact, ये मूवी को देखने के बाद मुझे मिसोजिनी का मीनिंग समझ आ गई. सो थैंक यू पूरी जगन्नाथ. इस फिल्म को YouTube पे रिलीज कर दिया है बाय आरकेडी स्टूडियोज एंड सो फार इट हैज क्लोज टू 35 मिलियन व्यूज. सीइंग द बम्प्स इन द टाइम स्टैम्प ग्राफ, मैं एक ही चीज बोलूंगा, तुम लोग सुधरोगे नहीं सालों. On number 3, we have Kangua. It's sad to see a Surya film in this list.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. कह दो कि ये झूठ है.
The only good thing about this film was the cinematography, that's it. First half was still watchable, but the second half just went downhill to a point wherein I ended up losing the whole plot. हो क्या रहा था मूवी में कुछ समझ नहीं आया. This movie had so much potential. Surya Anna has given his best, but somewhere the script just lets him down. Even Bobby Deol's character was great, but nowhere did it feel like a threat or a force to reckon with. I still don't know what was Disha doing in this film. You remove her from the film and it still continues to be illogical. On number 2, we have Singham Again. This film should be renamed as Cameos का buffet, क्योंकि सेट के आसपास जो भी था सबको डाल दिया पिक्चर में. अवेंजर्स असेंबल मोमेंट रिक्रिएट करने के लिए.
मस्त जोक मारा रे. ये हंस रे हलकट हंस.
With a 5-minute trailer, Singham Again made history for giving out the entire plot of the film before the movie was even released. रोहित शेट्टी भाई को दिल से थैंक यू. उन्होंने 5 मिनट में पूरे प्लॉट को दिखा दिया and that is commendable. Not a lot of filmmakers can pull this stunt. मूवी से सिर्फ एक अच्छी चीज हुई. People started to realize the potential of Arjun Kapoor in a negative role. Last year it was Adipurush, which blatantly used the story of Ramayana, and we all know the fate of that project. This year it is Singham Again, wherein there was no need to include Ramayana into the plot, but they still did. Something needs to be done about this. Before jumping to the number 1 spot, let's take a look at the honorable mentions. On number 1, we have.
क्या बोलूं मैं इस पे, क्या बोलूं क्या अब मैं इस पे, मैं कुछ बोल ही नहीं सकता.
ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಮಾತಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಲಿಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿಸಬೇಕು or ಸೇರಿಸಬಾರ್ದು, ತುಂಬ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಭಯವೂ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡು, ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
डर गया? मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है जब कोई डरता है.
That's it for this video, guys. Comment down your picks for the worst films of 2024 and I'll see you in the next one. और हाँ, अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना, वरना